Hey guys, how are you guys? How are you guys doing? Well, now I would like to show you some of the trick that you can use to increase your Facebook followers. This is another trick. It's a new trick. Okay, just take it. So all you have to do is that just uh, see what I'm doing right here with my page. So you are going to see I'm going to add around 60 followers without no time, right? So because I already collect the coin, I simply order 60 people to follow my page directly, and you're gonna see how they follow me back. So all you have to do is that you need simply to search for like, okay, links like that on Google. So all you have to do is that just simply register it and download the application for your Android. It only work on Android. Sorry guys for those who are using iPhones. All right, so and computer. So all you have to do is that log in with your email address, and make sure that you are using a fake accounts, because if you are using your real account you might get banned. So remember that, keep that things in mind. So per day you can maybe around 200, like sending or following 200 people. And remember, 200 people times 3 or 1. Okay, you can always do like around 200 or 100 followers, people that will follow you a day. So you don't have to overdo that, because Facebook will get you banned. So remember that, right? Anyway, now the Alan Corner Nagoto, they can use a trigger me. Goro Jin be take email address, so broccoli register. Kan young men de larie or and be Goro to be downloading the application and like link. So mishi kule download ka your Android, sorry, chelet ka iPhone, no, sorry, it does not work there. So but it work only ka jan mishal Android. So we go to jinbo men belel a day ka chang mishi go to ku ka like ki ku na ku follow dong de go to jebne shop ka 200 go follow day ke 100 ko mu wi lele long baji wote ji Facebook men bilel bona ko jin bi akando bi ko la jaba follow gore jin kuro register ke figure can, okay, you know what I mean now. Figure can ki akan mi use ke akan mi chang jaban run shapidi shade wood. So be biro lel ga lo gorni ku follow na ka je, then mi follow china follow bi coin bi kulo waka jan application do namo bi page manan go do kulo promote bi show promote direct. Okay, so ngeni e jan ta dan and go je auto dere lat ka je. So guri je mo go along and go je trick me, so trick mo go. Okay, ranchi pel ko ladder. Please go to subscribe. You can subscribe. Okay, guys, peace out. Chana good. Bye. Okay, nyamene na magwe gwejeje right now tak 119,261 baje refresh bi akula ngaji talk wala shit talk. Go to be a magic and talk right now bi ajanen. Do a back increase ke let me refresh again. Okay, here go man ya. Ngore ken konde je kon kelel go. Amene je zoom in. Okay. Channel je menen okay, where is it? Okay, yep. We kono goma attack 19,261 ki kinuwal bangwan widu kudaro jen bakel widu kel antama goma beti shop ke tishop ke jen bakel bakarep bawaka 19,321 something like that. And by increase the followers ne ka page them, so ngada jen page na machang tala page jen this one. Okay, so trigger me it works. I do not go a lot method me, so let me just show you guys. So they can increase it. So gweja kalada gwe na right now, so I will simply do this channel min which now at 261 by refresh. Let me refresh it. Refresh bana janene man talk. Refreshing, I'm refreshing right now. Okay, share refresh now. Share refresh. Jen gwen channel ben pingo. Let's see me take a change it work right now. Okay, remember 1961 and in where is it? Yep, now chawaka 3006, as you can see 306, and in chay jogonen bawaka 320 something or naman ba refresh nyok again. Let's see what's up. Let's see me talk alo chere mishi follow to chop k60 chika ora ikagwato. So here, yeah, now 318 destination dan bawoka akonin 261 and kecha wodong de 6 de ka ora jenen right now 60 60 plus this around there work 19,320 something, you know. Let me refresh again and we will see. Refresh. Okay. Let wait. So the way down they yen konde yen ka rep kaja more still 19,318. So gaja jumping in charo jump kaja come down kana namanyok. So mugo trick please, just message me and I can show you a little bit something here. Go to Google and search something to usually like, okay. So emit a tin namone a trick me dairy lel chere usually like, so like a more application me don't dairy use chale free liker, like free liker. So app dairy go dairy download like no fire, but it has to be free likers like .net, something like that. So dairy and like this check again up me right now dairy check you download me go reja. So please no dairy go. So men bilel ke point ke coin after that, you know men be jilwa kaja be jilwa along. So you can sign in me jiramete ka system. They say let me sign in here because go reja ba I just want to show you. Yeah, now you can see your target 3 available coin already in this place. So I can simply hand coin by ending coin. I can say hand coin if I want to. But right now I say oops sorry, like it need us to download the APK file. So make sure you download, you do the same thing, but make sure where I fake account please come where your real account so and I don't want you to get banned on Facebook. So do that. Go region be worried come audience get followers and make sure get followers, which mean that you need to have coin metal coin chabore. So you need to download free like APK and go more beji to be ladder down pa the go trigger pa go mane machine ngag increase. Let me refresh again, don't get temperature right now again. So an application go along, it will help you a lot. That is increase, but no she overdo like she will get one chiram but it will keep increasing. That is why she like she got a and in a 318 and touch at 317 we mean that chiram watch system. So go and what to big like they will come back later teleria. So ngay take a nice jack michi look at that moment then borrow you remember can 16 and teacher ordering and then using the application chan kong tell you to just simply lala no coin quite like their follow their page and liking their page and liking their post. That's it. So everything will be fine. So do that. And but right now she find they can like Nishiro increase 579 right now. So manager go there and there work an application, but do it please your own time guji or charge be ban keje. So don't overdo it. Shooting one sugar like otherwise beji yar. Men bugur ken ya muguro to be used bana gorejin be Facebook do beteke ngade beteke mobile number, so be confirm, so key be authenticate. So your chai will get burned like mishi overdo. So and thank you Chilotes guys, just do that, it will help you guys. So then we machine increase. Now I put 60 followers nama Mulono I will do this mission take a time like that. So you can give it like 20 minutes 30 minutes of your time and then be coin be together liking other people page ka cook or follow.